I'm Christian and welcome to our daily DAX market opening trade. So yesterday we were running an English live trading room pre-sneak session as our regular English live trading room is going to start from next Monday on. So yesterday we did a little bit of trading. The markets, especially in the morning hours till noon German time, were not that exciting, not full of trading chances. So we took one trade, we hedged that trade, which happens from time to time, because there wasn't just enough volatility to trigger our take profit. So the markets were more or less in a sideways market, and we decided mutually to hedge the trade. Now, this morning we are not going to do another market opening trade, as usually the case, but we'll take the market opening, the first roller box to be precise, for our existing trade down here. We try to release that hedge. So it's a bit tricky, and because of that, we do need quality trading signal. So we never should just release a hedge if it's a solar trading signal, if you know what I mean. We'll wait for the first roller box of the day. So the first roller box, that's basically a green field, exactly like this one, and it's going to appear in the template, in the chart of the DAX automatically at 9 AM. So it's an algorithm we've put into the MetaTrader, and at 9 AM chart we'll see a green zone, maybe above, maybe below, and wait. But once the DAX goes into the green zone, we are speculating that the price, the DAX, will leave that green zone very, very soon. So we do have two options here, two pendings, which would actually mean placing new SwissBox around the current market price, or we can decide to go long or short. So at 9 AM, maybe a bit afterwards, I go into that trade more in detail. So we have approximately 12-30 minutes to go for the market opening, and I'll be back with this video. Right, 5 seconds after 9 AM, and we're going to continue with our video. So that's the first box I was talking about, and so I'm waiting for the price to come back into the box, and hopefully that's going to happen soon. And there are two options, or actually 3 options. So if the price goes down very fast, I'm going to hit the sell button on the way down. If the price, however, is staying around the 12,900 level, I'm going to press the hedge button. And I think these are the 2 best options. Third option would be to wait for the DAX if it goes around this price level around here, and then to use this roller box to release a hedge. So almost 5 minutes past 9, and I'm going to switch on the M1 time frame. So that's the roller box, the first roller box of the day, and for us that's a quality signal we should use to release the hedge. And unfortunately, and you can see it here from the price action, that the price itself has not really been in the roller box yet. So a couple of wicks, but just too narrow, not too close to the upper side of the box. So it's not a proper side. I'm not having the chance yet to execute the trade. So to clarify things here, if the price is running into the box, we are going to release an edge, or we are taking the upper box here. Hopefully that's going to happen soon. I mean, some news announcements. Mr. Powell had a press conference yesterday, and then last not least, Mr. Trump reported back to Twitter, putting all the coronavirus help package on hold after the election. So that resulted in a sharp market decline throughout the American markets. 400 points in the Dow Jones alone, and this morning we are seeing a bit of recovery already now. So if you're not going to take this one, let's wait for the upper box, and ideally the price is going to go into the middle, and then I can press 2 pendings. Or if it's coming down, maybe another try. I'll have to go short, which unlock. Not bad. So around this level, I would go again for 2 pennies. Sorry, I forgot to unlock the SwissBox. That's a safety feature required from our clients. Last couple of updates. And so now 2 pendings activated, close. So I almost got the entire bowler box. And now it's for the price to decide whether to go up, and then we are opening up another buy order, or if the price decides to go down, and then we are short in the market, just like with the very original SwissBox from yesterday. And the idea you have press the pending orders when you had the exact price. So I was a point above, a point below here. That's alright. And not to worry. Alright, let's see how things go, and I'll be back very soon now. Right, 12 minutes past 9, we are in our 6th trade, so we got trade on the top side. And the price came down here. Let me switch to the N1 time frame one more time. So this was the 5th trade, 6th trade here, and that's where the take profit is now. And while we are already in the 6th trade, now we can try to squeeze out a little bit more profit out of the market. So once we get close to the take profit, I can click on custom, and then with the left mouse button we can adjust our take profit, and with that position size increase to very decent overall position size. We just need to adjust this blue line just by a couple of points to make sure that it will get a nice profit out of this trade. Right, so now it gets a bit more interesting, and again I'm adjusting the take profit line. And here, a decent thing, you see how the profit here, the blue numbers are going to change. However, it's not for me to decide, so the market actually has to come close to the blue, the initial take profit. So that's the dotted line. If you want to get out of it, alright, so be it. Just click back to auto, and once the price crosses the blue line, we are out of the trade. However, if you want to make more bucks, you can adjust it slightly over here. On the flip side though, if the price is looking to go up above this green line, which is another buy pending order, and that would be our order number 7, the blue line will automatically jump from down here to up here, and just by looking at the different time frame here, so same story goes, that I'm not going to get out of this trade with the initial take profit, but as well I'm trying to squeeze a bit more out of this trade. Probably looking to go towards the 13,000 big number mark, the DAX. You'll never know. Right, so we are live here, and whenever I'm going to start the video, so runs into the opposite way. So I'm a bit reluctant. However, we see that we're very close to our initial profit line, and every point in the DAX now has a decent size of value. So everyone would have been closed out here with a relatively small win. I'm trying, however, to get a bit more of it. It's a bit tricky, so if the price should turn around very quickly, I'm going to manually close out the trade as a dotted line. So it's the initial one. Right? Otherwise, I'm happy to take the profit, and that's happening now. So good for 22 euro. I've been in a hole with this trade, but keep in mind that this open range breakout strategy, we are trying to capture a market situation where it is not very likely, or in price level, but it's not very likely that the market is going to stay for a long time. So we do it with a market opening, with a DAX, that's when the future market and the cash market combines the market opening. There's one thing how to trade a breakout, another thing would be to use our volatility trading signal, and again, it's an algorithm we've put into the chart of the MetaTrader, and you get automatically zones displayed in any time levels where, based on the history of the chart, based on the volume volatility, the breakout is very, very likely. So far, the hit rate with this strategy is absolutely enormous. If you don't trust me, join our English-speaking live trade room again from October the 12th on, and then daily. We provide 30-day free access to that, and you can, of course, and we are transparent in that regard, you can test our trading strategy 30 days for free as well. That's for me. The video took a bit longer, but I want to show you how we release the hedge opening. Have a great week, and see you hopefully on Monday. Bye-bye.